That's recording. How? Got about 5 fucking seconds in. I got a bug in my eye. Anyway, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to vlog number 3. Vlog number 2, you might notice, is not on YouTube. And while it exists, I got about 100% of the way through it before I realized that I didn't connect the stupid little GoPro mic adapter. We're out on a less beautiful day, although it is still pretty nice. It's like 75 degrees out, so I'm really not gonna fucking complain about it. Ooh. Going a little ham. Probably not a great idea. Right, so we're taking the downtown roads, get down to South Salem, and go meet up with old Fabulous. The fabulous Cruz on 2s. Who wanted to go for a little cruise on 2s. My God, it is a beautiful day though. Shit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really mourning the loss of vlog number 2. A lot of interesting stuff went down. And I was excited to, like, I was on the ride. I was like, oh, I'm looking forward to going home and editing this. Oh man. And we're behind the Domino's guy. How much do you think I gotta slip him to let him just throw a quick pizza in my backpack? Hopefully this angle is good. The last one was a smidge too high. And I feel like, you know, it's worth looking at the tech down here. Another Domino's guy, they're everywhere. Wait, if they need Domino's over there, and those guys need Domino's over in this direction, I feel like a simple phone call could clear up quite a bit. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to freeze frame that shit because that was the 3rd Domino's truck. Oh ho ho, look who it is! Narrowly. Oh my God. Another one. Domino's. Alright, well, we're at Domino's, I guess, so that's fair. What's up? Yeah, I'm about to unzip the fucking leathers. Oh! Damn it! Oh, it really is. Oh. Yeah, I'm definitely still breaking mine in. Thank you. She nodded. She looked like a deer in the headlights.
I was smiling too when I was
I mean, she scared me a little bit. Spoiled. I don't know, man. You were like, test it out. Good. Fire and forget. You know what? I had to keep reminding myself that that second vlog was ruined, not just because I forgot the batteries and forgot to plug in the stupid adapter, but also because, like, right here on the ride, we smacked into a fucking big bug directly in the middle of the lens. So, you know what? Who cares? Even if I didn't fuck up, that one was totally out of my control. That vlog went, hey, 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 hey. Thank you. Awfully kind of you not to murder us this afternoon. Thanks a bunch. Oh, look, someone pulled out nearly a full car length past the stop line. How surprising. Not getting me that time, motherfucker. Gravel, 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 gravel. Oh, ooh, ooh, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Ooh, she doesn't like it. You want me to get it?
Hold on.
Yep. Gucci. Hey, come on, buddy. Hey. Got time to wave, but they are hugging that corner. Just the one and only. What the fuck is that? Damn, it was a whole ass bird too. Man, I love these rolling hills. This Windows XP background type shit. Is there gravel? Jesus! I wonder what this fucking video would look like if I just recorded it at full tuck, just like back here the whole time. You probably can't see shit. This is so low. Like, I literally, the Shoei RF 1200 that I'm wearing is like covering, it almost is obscuring the fucking horizon. Like, I need a fucking X14 to be doing this. Oh, Jesus. Riding in the worst position of the lane that you could be riding in. Yeah, let me just have all the lane sludge, please. I would like to ride with all of the slipperiest shit. They are doing 30. Isn't this is what, 55? Like, we weren't hauling ass, we were just doing the speed limit. We're gonna have to haul ass to pass them. Oh my lord. This is aggressive. We good? We're good. Let's do it. letting us pass in lane. That wasn't a moped, it was a sport bike. Awfully nice of them.
I tried, I was too low of a gear.
You ready?
Yep.
Amazon. Oh, on your left. What'd you do? What is that? Motherfucker! God damn it! You fucking had me. You did. I was like, ah, oh, man, we just talked about running out of gas. Why is that going on?
Oh, fuck, that was great.
There it is. He knew. On your left. Whoo, look at them shiny new leathers. Dude. We look so badass. Ooh, look at that. So picturesque. Fingers crossed, nothing's fucked up for this vlog. No mic disconnected, memory card's not full, batteries were charged. I'm gonna kill you. I know I don't. I know I don't. You're good. Ooh, wow, that was like synchronized. Oh, on your right, on your right. I'm never on your right, but I am right now. Oh. Good riding. What is this motherfucker doing? What is you doing? Alright, well, as soon as you left, we lost the speed. It was like that was it. Alright, homie, get home safe. Alright, well, pretty successful day. I didn't die. Fab didn't die. Nobody crashed. I recorded. I'd call that a win. Domino's. Number 4. No, number 5. I don't actually remember. Costa. Oh, it's Pizza Hut. Never mind. This is like the worst time of day for me to be out cop spotting. I mean, riding my motorcycle, on account of my laser eye surgery, which was a couple years ago now, and generally was excellent. Very, very good. There are some people who know maybe I have a couple thoughts as to some things that might scare anybody, any general person, off of getting laser eye surgery, but overall, really, really great thing. I like that. Anyway, what I'm actually saying is that dawn and dusk, you know, nightfall, or night rise, nightfall, day rise, sunrise. I promise I'm not on crack. Nightfall, the dusk and dawn, you got generally a little harder to see things with the LASIK. Just brighter lights don't play nice. And over we go. It is absolutely beautiful out. Beautiful, beautiful day, beautiful time of year. The sky kind of cleared up. The light's gonna turn green for me. Everything's coming up, Kurt. Let's go. Thank you. Over we go. And railroad. Oh my god, and an opossum. That was close. What is that? Can you get all of your motherfucking shit off of Market Street, please? Why? Like right after the blind crest that is the railroad. I'm gonna die. I'm probably gonna close the video out here because I don't know that I have anything else to talk about. And I'm at a red light. Hello, friendo. Yeah, this is the end. Bye.